Welcome to the product overview for Basilon, a comprehensive experience and activity marketplace built to connect users with hundreds of workshops, creative classes, culinary sessions, and well-being events across Israel. Let's dive into the core architecture, key features, and user journeys we've engineered for the platform. At the top of the interface, users have immediate access to visual category chips for high-level browsing. To refine results, the multi-parametric filter bar lets users sort concurrently by geographical region, date ranges, or group formats like private versus public events. Additionally, we integrated a conversational AI search bar that parses natural language inputs, enabling users to type broad queries and receive precise, relevant recommendations. To make location discovery frictionless, the feed seamlessly syncs with an interactive Mapbox integration. Users can switch to a split-screen layout, where event pins render dynamically in real time based on active search parameters, helping users visualize exact locations and activity density across specific regions. Clicking on any card opens a detailed experience overview featuring essential metadata, including per-person pricing, star ratings, trip duration, and gift suitability. The underlying booking engine includes a real-time calendar slot picker, guest count selection, and a streamlined contact form to capture user data for direct transaction processing. Beyond individual bookings, we built a full gift voucher subsystem. Users can select categorized packages or open-value cards, attach custom messaging, and send digital vouchers directly to recipients. For supply-side management, the platform includes a dedicated host portal where local guides and event organizers can easily list and manage their own offerings.
Do you have a similar vision for a game-changing application? Or are you looking to develop a custom platform that pushes the boundaries of technology? We're here to help you build it. Let's turn your idea into the next industry standard. Get in touch with HackerKernel today.